Hello and welcome everybody to Climate Transformation Summit 2025 in beautiful Berlin at Impact Hub. We just had 2 full days that were packed with a lot of action. Action on what? Scope 3. So let's have a look at what the others say.
Scope 3 is a big challenge. It's huge. There's no easy solution. So that's something that I enjoy, finding solutions to complex problems.
It's more about what we can do to live a better planet to generations coming behind, which is why we should really use the community that we have and that we have been building and that ClimateChoice have been building.
We're all in this together.
We have to save our planet.
I think one of the things that stood out for me yesterday, it's always meeting people that I enjoy and the insights I get from those interactions.
People share, and it gives strength in what you do, and it gives a sense of purpose, and it makes you feel impactful, actually.
There's just the moment for the spark aha moment that everyone shares and understands they have the same challenges and they can find together one solution.
There's so much knowledge sharing and best practices, and also talking about roadblocks and just realizing we're all facing very similar things. So the exchange has been very nice.
That hands-on format, that really, say, exclusive atmosphere, only 100 participants, so that was a really good working atmosphere. You get to chat with everyone. A lot of insight I gained, a lot of things I learned around Scope 3. That was really helpful.